What's going on, guys? Back with another video on the channel. You already know I'm back again in Driving Empire. There was recently a new update. First of all, let's go over the codes. It's basically Valentine in all caps. So yeah, spelled exactly like this, all caps, and it's you can see it. It says you have already redeemed this code. Yeah. I'm gonna start posting more if I can, but if I can't, oh well. Nothing I can really do about that. Limited vehicles is this a brand, Arton, and and I'm gonna just say the real name, the 2020 McLaren Senna Canum, whatever. It just went on sale today. There's only been 1,625 sold, and the 2022 AMG GT1 edition. 10,000 sold so far, almost to 11,000. I'll try to buy this car, but I really don't know if it's gonna be possible because, bro, I'm broke. Well, not broke, but bro, I don't. I need 3 millions for this. And I had 3 million. I thought this was gonna be, less than 2 million, or at least 2,400,000. Dang. But there's nothing I can really do. I'm gonna go to all vehicles. So there are now 2 Lamborghini Performantes. We got the Huracan Spider and the regular Huracan Performante. This Huracan Lamborghini Huracan Spider. This is Evo Spider. The 6, I think is no, is a 765T Spider right there, and a regular 765. Mercedes GT Black Edition, Tesla Plaid, Model S Plaid, yeah, and Mercedes GT, and the new Senna. I think I should buy that instead. But yeah, that's all. There's no body kit for this. Like, it's just bumper and stuff. There's no actual body kit. It's not in the game yet. This, I don't know what. You might have to find out about this, this McLaren, the Spider, and the regular one, because I really don't have the patience and time to, figure it out. I barely even wanted to record this video. I'm just be honest. But I'll push myself to record this video because, trying to post more. But yeah, short video. I cannot review all the cars. I know I have money to do that, but I'm grinding for that limited car. And don't judge me, because it's what I want. But yeah, there will be a new video probably tomorrow or a few days. Right now, as in it being 7:07 7:12 p.m. February 13th, 2020, and Valentine's Day is tomorrow. I just want to say happy Valentine's Day in the earliest way. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.